Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore innovative tech gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we have a game changer for those dealing with various storage devices, the Unitek External Hard Drive Adapter Kit. It's a versatile solution that simplifies data management and supports an array of storage options. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Let's kick things off with an overview of this remarkable adapter kit from Unitek. The Unitek External Hard Drive Adapter Kit is a compact, multifunctional tool designed to make your life easier when dealing with different types of storage devices. It supports 2.5 and 3.5 inches SATA HDDs and SSDs, 2.5 and 3.5 inches IDE HDDs, and even optical drives like DVD-ROM, CD-ROM, CD-RW, DVD-RW, and DVD plus RW. One of the standout features of this kit is its ability to operate 3 HDDs simultaneously. This means you can easily transfer data between different types of drives without the hassle of multiple connections. It's a true time saver. When it comes to data transfer speed, the Unitek External Hard Drive Adapter Kit delivers with USB 3.0 connectivity. You can enjoy data transfer rates of up to 5 gigabits per second, and it's backward compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. To ensure stable power for your drives, the kit includes a 12-volt 2A power cable. This feature is particularly important when dealing with older IDE drives. Note that the 4-pin power cable is designed specifically for 3.5 inches IDE drives, while SATA drives do not require it. Ease of use is a priority with the Unitek adapter kit. It's a plug-and-play device, and you can hot swap drives without the need for rebooting your system. The one-touch backup function is a handy feature that helps secure your precious data effortlessly. Plus, there's an on-off switch for HDD protection, and an LED light to indicate power and activity status. When you purchase the Unitek External Hard Drive Adapter Kit, you get everything you need to get started. The USB 3.0 to IDE plus SATA adapter, a USB 3.0 cable, the 4-pin power cable, a power adapter, and an OTB software CD. And rest assured, Unitek provides 24-hour customer email support. Just a quick reminder, the one-click backup feature is incredibly useful, but it's important to note that it doesn't work on macOS and Linux. However, it's an excellent addition for Windows users looking for an easy data backup solution. To wrap it up, the Unitek External Hard Drive Adapter Kit is a versatile and essential tool for anyone dealing with various storage devices. Its support for multiple drive types, high-speed data transfer, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to your tech arsenal. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from this adapter kit. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.